In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Hostinger account in 2023 in just 5 minutes. Hostinger is an excellent platform for bringing your ideas online with a website, and this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process so that you can get started effortlessly. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Hostinger website. You can do this by typing hostinger.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Hostinger's homepage is where your journey to building an amazing website begins. Here, you can discover all the tools and features they offer to support your online presence. But for now, let's focus on getting your account set up. Once you are on the Hostinger homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a prominent button that says Login. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login page where you'll have the option to either log into an existing account or create a new one. Since we're here to create a new account, we'll opt for the latter. Now the next step is incredibly user-friendly. Hostinger allows you to register using your existing Google or Facebook accounts. This is a great way to speed up the registration process without having to remember another set of credentials. Simply click on Login with Google or Login with Facebook depending on your preference. A new window will pop up, prompting you to log into your chosen account if you're not already signed in. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your account with Hostinger. Once you have successfully linked your Google or Facebook account, Hostinger will automatically create your account on their platform. You'll be seamlessly logged in, and from here you can start exploring the dashboard. You'll find different options and settings that you can customize according to your needs. Don't worry about feeling overwhelmed. Hostinger's dashboard is designed to be intuitive and straightforward, making it easy for even beginners to navigate. Congratulations, you've now created your Hostinger account. You can start by exploring their hosting plans, setting up your domain, and beginning the exciting adventure of building your website. Remember, if you encounter any issues or need help, Hostinger's customer service is always ready to assist you. In conclusion, creating a Hostinger account using your Google or Facebook credentials is a quick and convenient process. You've saved time, streamlined your logins, and are now all set to take the next steps in your online journey. So get creative, explore the various features, and start making your online vision a reality. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and happy website building.